What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Mike, I'm the Smokin Monkey, and today we're at Scotch line. Well, I'm actually at home, but we're going to be watching my video, or the second half of our trip to Scotch line, and we were doing kind of like a long wheelbase versus short wheelbase, so check it out, let me know what you guys think, and hopefully you enjoy the video. That's going to be a pretty big climb. Oh yeah, you got lots of room for the dips. As soon as you climb up on here, you're going to want to start cutting it to driver. A little more passenger and they'll climb up. There's like a step, yeah? You should be able to walk it up that. It's this rock. It's like a 3-foot climb and it's got a dugout in it. Yeah, you're down it. Yep. Keep it straight. And then as soon as you get around this, you can cut. You're good, you're good. Yeah, you cleared everything. You cleared everything. You touched the control arm mount slightly.
Just watch it, like, there's a huge rock in front of me. Keep cranking our way a little bit.
Yeah, keep coming, driver.
And good, your passenger will find a big rock here.
Just like that, yeah, just like that. A little more, driver. Perfect. Now you can walk it right out.
Keep going, bud. Keep going. More drive, buddy. More drive. Yeah.
I'm gonna bring mine up this way too. Well, I wasn't gonna try that one either because I don't have lockers. If I had lockers, 100% I would go for it. And as you guys can see now, here is a TJ Rubicon with lockers, and you guys will see how he does, and then it'll be a little bit more obvious why I didn't go.
Now you got it. Passenger. Yep, you got it. You got it. Oh, easy. Drivers, they're coming around. Unless you want to go straight through.
So yeah, as you guys can see, lockers are definitely needed for this one, and we'll see how the other Jeeps do, because we still got, I think, the Gladiator to go up. Check out that custom sway bar disconnect in there. What do you know about that? Yeah, that was this rock over here. That was this rock here, but as you guys can see, no real damage. It took it pretty well. I'm pretty sure it was either the tire that it got hit or one of the skid plates, but either way, took it like a champ. Looks like what, Gladiator 4 TJ 0? So far, this thing is a beast, man. Honestly, it impresses me more and more every time I see it on the trail. And I don't know what you guys think of these Gladiators. Let me know in the comments section, but honestly, I love them. So when I first came to this actual mud hole, or this trail, the first time I was here 2 years ago, I was on highway tires and I also had no lift. Now we made it through scraping a lot on all these rocks. As you can see, it's quite a climb. But yeah, we almost drowned in here. This is quite a deep mud hole. So this is definitely a challenge, even for a Rubicon. What is that? Heat shield?
Yeah, rocks and shit.
Yeah, that's definitely a deep one, and I don't think I'm gonna be trying that one. Maybe if we had a Rubicon. Honestly, the Gladiator could probably make it through there pretty easy, just because it's got the longer wheelbase. But two doors, like you saw, they're not going up there like a walk in the park. Okay, maybe TJ1, Gladiator 4. Yo! Yo! Looks like we might have a blown rad going on over here because I can smell coolant. Don't ask me how I know the smell of coolant so well. Little driver. Yeah? Yeah? That's it, boy.
That's funny.
That's it. Yeah, boy. Well guys, that's about it for the trail. As you can see, everybody made it out, everybody made it safe, and nobody broke down, which is basically the best that you can hope for. So let me know what you guys think, the Gladiator or the TJ. I know that it wasn't really a true comparison, but you did see that the Gladiator makes it through anything the TJ can. I wouldn't say that it has any kind of drawbacks. Even though it is longer, you get caught up a lot less than you would think and a lot less than you would expect, because it actually clears a lot of stuff. And especially the way he has it set up, you can see before he had his lift, he did touch a couple things here and there, but now he's got a 2.5-inch lift or 3-inch lift, I believe, and 37s, and he does pretty well. He can go over pretty much anything that I can. I wouldn't say that I can do anything more than him, except for maybe those sharp breakover angles. Other than that, it's awesome. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know what your thoughts are. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you're new around here, jump down there, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Let me know what you guys want to see, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, guys, ride safe out there. Peace.